Omaha Bricks Prime Building Instructions. Omaha Bricks is the world's largest marketplace for custom World War I, World War II, Cold War, and other military building instructions made with Lego bricks. Available only at omahabricks.com.
Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to make a micro brick battle scale Panzer 38T. Little tank, so short video of course. It's an original design by Brickmania. Don't know who designed it, probably Yitzi or Dan himself. Small modification by me on the turret using the 2 lengths bar instead of cutting hoses. Makes it easier, I think. In a couple of seconds I will show you parts list for this one, then the steps to make it in dark bluish gray, and then you have your Panzer 83T. But I also made a little camo slash command version, and this one, as you can see, I used reddish brown in it as a little bit of camo and added a little antenna. Make it a command tank, so yeah, maybe yeah, just for fun or display, but if you use it in a micro brick battle game, you can use it with some special abilities, like giving it some kind of command abilities, extra abilities. So all made with easy to get parts, nothing hard, nothing fancy. I did build my versions with Go bricks from the website Woo Bricks. Link is in the description, also coupon code, so check that out. This one I will show you the parts list after, once the dark bluish gray one is ready. You see a parts list for this one, and you can build this one step by step. Okay, let's do first the all dark bluish gray one. Enjoy.